Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking your Mac OS version and freeing about 200 MB so the installer fits. Once done, open Safari and request the official Chrome. DMG, this is the only legitimate installer. You do this because installers from other sources risk malware and outdated builds. While the file downloads, keep an eye on your Downloads folder and avoid quitting the browser. The download completes faster on wired or stable Wi-Fi connections. Next, locate the DMG to mount it and continue. You double-click the DMG to mount a temporary disk image, and a Finder window appears showing Chrome and an application's alias. Drag Chrome into Applications. This copies the app into the system folder so Mac OS can manage updates. Make sure you authenticate with your admin password if prompted. That grants required write permission. Once copied, right-click the mounted image and choose Eject. Now navigate to /Applications to confirm Chrome is present before launching it for the first time. You open Chrome from Applications. On first run, Mac OS may warn that it was downloaded from the internet. Allow it, this is normal. Sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks, extensions, and passwords. This speeds setup across devices. If Chrome refuses to launch, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and look at Gatekeeper or App Download Settings to allow apps from identified developers, then try again. If problems persist, reboot and retry the install to clear temporary conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.